If you use my downloader code 28907 to access my downloads page, there is something that makes it way easier to use. And today I'm giving some of you that upgrade completely free. And if you don't use it yet, I'll show you quickly what it is in a second. Most people use the download page like this. They generate a free token, use it for a bit, and then they have to come back and do it all again. Now that works completely fine, but if you use it regularly, it can get a bit repetitive. So just to be clear, everything on my site is still completely free to access. Anyone can go to the token page, generate a code, and use the downloads without paying anything. That hasn't changed, and it's not going anywhere. The reason the token system exists is to keep everything running properly, reduce abuse, and make sure the downloads stay fast, up to date, and available for everyone. And this is exactly why I always use something like NordVPN on my network. It doesn't fix everything, but it does stop your internet provider and a lot of third parties from seeing what you're doing, especially on streaming devices where you don't have much control. It's one of the easiest ways to take a bit of that control back. If you're not using one already, I've got a link to NordVPN in the description below. Now, where longer tokens come in is just convenience. If you've got a longer token, you don't need to keep generating new ones. You don't get interrupted, and everything just feels smoother, especially if you're installing apps, testing things, or setting up a new device. So I wanted to do something for you guys. Because I know a lot of you use this regularly, I'm giving away some extended tokens. 10 of you will get 24-hour access, 5 of you will get a full week, and 1 person is getting a full month. If you want one, just drop a comment below saying token and let me know what device you're using. Firestick, Google TV, mini PC, whatever. Also, I've hidden 1 extra token somewhere in this video, so keep an eye out. I'll pick the winners in a couple of days and reply to your comments directly, so make sure you check back. If you use the download page regularly, this just makes everything a lot easier. And if not, everything still works exactly the same as before. You can also follow me on X, check out unboxd.tech, and join channel memberships for access to our private members-only chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.